This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. Single-story 3-bed 2-bath located in West Memorial. Air conditioner replaced 23, some duct work replaced 23, exterior paint 23. Located on a large corner lot, this home features a big backyard with a covered patio, vinyl plank bedrooms, tile throughout living area and remolded kitchens and bathrooms. Zoned KISD. Schedule your tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.